message to my young generation is enjoy your life. We should not be focused about ये हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा. I enjoy my life. Madam Nusrat is talk about I used to sit in the chairs, yes, but most of the time I was sitting in the corridor. I'm not giving the advice to sit in the corridor. But life is about having interaction. It's about interaction with the students, interaction with the faculty, interaction with the colleagues. Right? So you have to enjoy the campus life. You people are the butterflies. Let the butterflies fly and take the destination. Right? So आपने ये सोचना नहीं है कि मेरा 20 साल के बाद क्या होगा, 10 साल के बाद क्या होगा. When I was in matric, I used to play sports for 18 hours. 18 घंटे. और मेरी माता कहती थी इसका क्या होगा. मरने से पहले उन्होंने कहा इसका ठीक हो गया था. So what I'm saying, whatever you have decided, you have to do with sincerity and commitment. पूरे sincerity के साथ वो काम करो. If you're doing politics, do politics. If you're doing sport, do sport. Right? About right and wrong, fair and unfair, just and unjust. Education is serving the society and your community as well. You have to repay back to your community. That should be the spirit. क्या हमें वापस देना. I was not a good student in political science, but I used to challenge my teachers. Because we believe education, academics is about debate. Education is about setting an argument and a counter argument based on facts and realities, not on fiction. I live in a society where we don't believe in science, we believe in fiction. मैं किसी को कहता हूँ मास्क पहन लो, कहता है मैं आप सब मुसलमान हैं, कोई मसला नहीं. That's fiction. Yes. That's not reality. From the Treaty of Westphalia, 1648, we live in a different century. We live in different challenges. And we live where institutions are important rather than individuals. Right? Yes, institutions are made by individuals, but institutions are above than the individuals. When I talk about एक नाम मैं लूँगा, तो I want to see your reaction. Ex-President of the United States of America, Donald Trump. What is your face expression? Good. I like this. What about a black American president? Obama, Barack Obama. Nelson Mandela. Right? Martin Luther King. I have a hope. So these are the people who have given respect to the state and institution. Living in Pakistan, we talk about old Pakistan and new Pakistan. I want to have only one Pakistan. That was created by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Right? For nation, these are not the debate. The debate is how we are going to protect our state. How we are going to live in harmony, in peace. And it's written in political science, you're supposed to address every issue. Don't put issues under the carpet. These are the thorns. And if we put thorns on the carpet, हमने सबसे आसान काम किया, भाई कारपेट है हमारे पास, ये सब कुछ ठीक है. जितने भी थॉर्न्स आते हैं वो कारपेट के नीचे डालते हैं, और एक दिन वो कारपेट नहीं मिलेगा. So study the issues we have in Pakistan. If a student read the science, it's about federal autonomy. Right? It's It's about the right of federated units. Pakistan was not created only in the name of Islam. Pakistan was created by the federated units so that they have the autonomy. Pakistan was created not for the sake of Islam only. It was about equal rights. It was about on the basis of the principles of Islam. Equality, justice, freedom. And I hope that today we can inculcate all these principles in our state policy. आप इन सारों को state policy में शामिल कर सकते हैं। So मुझे 1.5 साल हो गया कोई lecture दिए नहीं। So this is the second time I got to film. So I hope people are not getting bored.
No, sir.
Right? So what I'm trying to establish here is दुनिया में जो कुछ भी होता है, it has two contexts. One is internal, and the second one is called external context. So if you have focus about both these contexts, तो फिर आपको समझने में आसानी होगी। पाकिस्तान की जो जियोपॉलिटिक्स है, वो एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर से इन्फ्लुएंस होगा। These are the realities. In the neighbor we have India, Afghanistan, right? So the China, we talk about CPAC. Today we live in a world where there is only one ideology. There's no more capitalism versus communism. It is no more about East versus West. There is only one ideology. I wish the board hota mere it's dollar. The finance, the economy, it's all economy. Right? The CPAC is about economic development. CPAC is about Chinese strategy in terms of economic development. And as a Pakistani, how we can use CPAC for the economic development of Pakistan. That's important. CPAC से इंडस्ट्री नहीं लगेगी, CPAC से कनेक्टिविटी होगी। हमारे बड़े सियासतदान बोलते रहते हैं कि ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा। It's about connectivity. It's about Belt and Road Initiative. If you're a student of political science, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि externally क्या हो रहा है और internally. You have this focus, then I hope you can have a better understanding about the politics of Pakistan. इस context की बड़ा जरूरी है। अक्सर मैंने इत्तेफाक हुआ मुझे बाहर जाने का, तो अक्सर वो बाहर के लोग कहते हैं यार, you are from a nation. जब हम उनको खाना देते हैं, तो कहते हैं हलाल है कि हराम है। जब हम कोई कारोबार कहते हैं, तो ये नहीं पूछते हराम है हलाल है। It's all justified. Right? So अगर आपने principles में रहने हैं, complete principles के लोग, जो चीज मुझे सूट करती है, उस पे हम हराम की बात करते हैं, जो चीज मुझे सूट नहीं करती, हम किसी और So Pakistan, you student political science, you have to study Pakistan, its religion, the right context. जो पाकिस्तान बनने की फाउंडेशंस क्या है, पाकिस्तान के रोड मैप क्या है, पाकिस्तान के चैलेंजेस क्या है। मेरे ख्याल से बात है पाकिस्तान के चैलेंजेस पहले के मुकाबले में ज़्यादा in terms of the economic growth and economic prosperity. No nation can survive without economic growth and economic prosperity. जब आपको भूख लगती है, आप सहरा में हो, आप मुसलमान हैं, एक तंदूर है, हिंदू जो है वो रोटी बेच रहा है, ये दे रहा है, खाएंगे नहीं खाएंगे, खाएंगे, रोटी का कोई मतलब नहीं। So these are the hard realities. So आप फोकस करें, आपकी विजन ठीक होनी चाहिए और फोकस करना। I hope कि हमारा चेयरपर्सन से और आपकी फैकल्टी के मेंबरान से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट होगी revise your curriculum. इसको revise होनी चाहिए, मुझे नहीं पता, I hope कि revise होगी. आपका curriculum जो market है उसकी needs को fulfill कर सकते. मेरे तरह नहीं, जो चीज मुझे आता था मैं वही पढ़ाता था, बाद में समझ में आया कि ये भी मेरे बच्चे So we have to update ourselves about our curriculum to make this market oriented. Public administration was a part of political science way back in 1992. And there was only one classroom and we have enrollment of only 20-25 students in public administration. Right? Then public administration emerged as a separate department, separate from political science. It became a part of the management and administrative sciences. And today, in the morning, we are running bachelor's program, master's program, MPhil and a PhD program. In the evening, we are running 8 different programs. Diploma in Human Resource Management, Master in Human Resource Management, so on and so forth. And today, in the morning program, we have the enrollment around 1,200 students. And in the evening, we have approximately 1,800 students. So from 20 students, you can see the growth of the department. The reason being, we link our program with the industry, we link our program with the market, and we revise our curriculum. So it is my humble request to the Department of Political Science to revise your curriculum, link your program with the market, with the industry, and let these students to have exposure with other institutions as well. So I can see a bright faces there. And अगर आपने इनका ख्याल रखा तो इंशाल्लाह they will have a much stronger impact in our society. Thank you very much.